Greetings everyone, welcome to the channel. In the previous video, we did the cutting and in this one, we will be constructing it. So before starting the video, I'm sure you are ready with these pieces. The front and its lining, the back, its lining, the sleeves and their lining. So now let's start. We will start first with the front and back neckline. Place the front pattern right side facing towards you and then take the lining and place on it. The marking for the neckline was done in the previous video. Match the notches and start pinning it. Stitch together the front pattern and its lining. Before starting, these are the settings that I am keeping for my sewing machine. Make sure you do the lock in the beginning and in the end. Once done with the front, let's do the back. The same way, place the front side of the pattern facing towards you and put a lining or back lining on top of it. Adjust the notches, pin it up. Now over here at the center, I'm marking around 2-inch line. Now that will be the opening. So I am going to stitch around, give a V shape and then stitch around. Give a lock in the beginning and ending of the V. Once I am done with the stitching for the front and back, simply iron it and cut out the extra. Give notches but be careful, don't cross the stitching line. Turn it inside out and iron at the back side. Do the same thing for the back, just be careful with the slit. Turn it inside out and iron it. Later on, we will be adding a hook and eye for the opening. Once done with the neckline, let's go to the shoulders. Take the front pattern right side facing towards you and place the back side, so that means both the right sides are together and the wrong sides are outwards. Stitch on the shoulder line. Remember the seam allowance, follow that same. Now we've done with the shoulders, let's start with the side. Make sure all the 4 layers are nicely in place. Start stitching from the armhole till the slit. Of the lining. Remember, not the main kurti, the inside lining. By simply folding it 2 times. Do it for the front and the back. Now let's do the actual hemline, the outer layer. For that, fold the hemline upwards towards the right side and stitch it. Once I stitch that, I will place the border and stitch on it. This way we will have a neat finish from inside and outside. Over here for the border, the top thread will be gold thread and the thread from the bobbin will be fuchsia pink. Attach the border from both the sides. Make sure you lay the fabric as flat as you can. Let's start with the back hemline. Fold the fabric again towards the right side and iron it at the corner and in the center so that you get a proper curve. Double fold it. I will be placing half-inch golden lace on top of this seam. Place the golden ribbon on the top of the folded seam. Let's start with the sleeve. For the sleeves, first let's make the twisted ribbon. Take an half-inch ribbon, twist it, hold the ribbon with the index and thumb and then twist it. Once the twisting is done, iron it so that it stays in place. We'll attach this lace on the sleeve. Place a paper beneath the fabric. This will give further strength to the fabric and avoids having any folds coming in. I'm using a zigzag and straight stitch. Once done attached, simply tear off the paper. Place the lining on top of the sleeve. Now we will be stitching on the curve that we had marked in the previous video. One stitch, cut off the extra fabric and give slits. Turn it inside out. Once ironed, fold the lining inwards and we will do hemming at that point. Once we did the hemming, we close the sleeve. The placement of the sleeve is very simple. Take the front pattern piece the wrong side upwards and the sleeve with the right side upwards. Place the sleeve through the neckline inside. Now join the seams together. Center of the sleeve should match with the shoulder line. Pin them and start stitching. Just be careful, go step by step, make sure all the layers are properly aligned. Let's finish the slit opening. Double fold the fabric towards inside. Make sure the lining is correctly aligned with the top layer. Don't forget to lock in the beginning. First, we are going to stitch inwards. Once coming at the slit opening point, simply go inside 1 centimeter. Let the needle be down, just lift the press footer up. Turn the fabric exactly at 90 degree and then stitch again, coming till the ending of the next side. Leave the needle down, lift the presser foot and then double fold and stitch. Once we are done with the inner stitch, we will do a double seam here. So we will start stitching at the outer edge. Once again coming at the slit opening, let the needle be down, lift the presser foot, shift the fabric, put the presser foot down and start stitching. With this, we have finished the kurti. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was easy to follow. If you have any doubts, feel free to email us. Our team will respond to you as quickly as possible. With this said, we've come to the conclusion of our series, which was divided in 4 parts. Hope you enjoyed this and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Till then, do take care of yourself. Bye.